Hello everyone, I'm here at home now and I just thought I'd give you a quick update on the peppers and the chili peppers. It's been quite cool today and yesterday here in Exeter. We had 20 millimetres of rain yesterday, which was quite good for us. It's been dry for so long, but it's had an effect of cooling down the atmosphere here in Exeter, but it is going to warm up again towards the end of the week. So I'll just switch the camera around and I'll show you what's been happening up with the peppers. Right, the rabbits are out as well, and you can just see Angus there behind the potatoes. Yeah, I've got a couple of potato plants out here as well. These are saved Sapomira from last year, and these are leeks which are going to be going up to the allotment at the weekend. These are as thick as a pencil, these ones, so these are perfect for going up. He's too busy chewing everything that gets in his mouth, and there's little Nella, she's exploring the world with her mouth as well. So these are the peppers. There's nothing on these two, that's a Hungarian wax. I think they could be both Hungarian wax. But this is a hot pepper called Anaheim. I'll put the spelling up in case I'm pronouncing it wrong. There's another one, so I've got quite a few. Oh, that's for the same plant. Actually, it's got quite a few actually. So that's doing well. They're a bit green at the minute, but they're a good size. This next one is a Robertina, which is a sweet pepper. It's got a little couple of small ones. Don't know if anything's going to come of them. They look quite small. And this is a Robertina again, which is doing slightly better. It's got some peppers on it. That's another Anaheim, which has got nothing on it. And another Robertina. So yeah, that's doing quite well. It's got a couple on it. Hopefully they'll get a little bit bigger. This is a Hungarian wax, not Hungarian hot wax, but just a Hungarian wax. And it's got quite a few decent size peppers on it. Still got a few flowers as well. This is another Anaheim. This one here is looks like another Robertina, but this one here is Anaheim again, and you can see the classic colour change from where it turns from green to black to red. So that'll be ripening up soon, that one. There's some flowers on this one near the top, but no fruit at the minute, and the same with this one. Other things, I've got some little what do you call it? Cauliflower and some red cabbage. They'll be going up to the allotments on some squashes, which I never labelled. We were at the garden centre at the weekend with Pip's mum and dad, and they bought us this lovely rosemary plant and a lovely lavender plant as well. So I'm going to put them up into bigger pots and get them in the garden. Hopefully pots big enough that the rabbits can't reach them, because they'll just shred. They'll have that as a little light snack before their main meal. There's nothing else going on here at the moment. Most of the stuff, it's been a quiet year because of my health problems, but I thought I would just leave the chilies and the peppers here so that it'd make it easier for me to water and feed them rather than having to keep going up to the allotment. Well, that's it for now, everyone. Thanks for coming along tonight in this little tour, just having a look at the peppers and the chilies. But I should be up to the plot tomorrow evening to dig up the garlics and the onions, so I might show you the results of that. And at the weekend I plan to go up and put the leeks in the ground. So that's the plan for the next couple of days. So bye for now, and I'll see you all again later.